Hello and welcome back to my channel OKSolve. So today we are going to start solving exercise 13A of the chapter section and midpoint formula of class 10 ICSE board. So today we are going to start solving from question 2, which says in what ratio does the point 1, a divide the join of -1, 4 and 4, -1. So first of all, let's consider a line AB. So this is a line AB and coordinate of A हमें given है -1, 4 and coordinate of B given है 4, -1 and the coordinate of a point P हमें given है 1, A and this point P is dividing this line AB into two parts. Now in this question we are required to calculate the ratio in which this point P is dividing this line A and B. हमें ratio calculate करना है. So in such cases we will consider that the ratio is K is to 1. That is K is to 1 in case of M1 is to M2. So in order to calculate the coordinate A of the point P, we can directly apply section formula. So what is section formula? So this is section formula and ये हम जानते हैं. So using this formula we can calculate the coordinate A first. So we know that this part will be equal to 1 in this case and this part will be equal to A in this case. So हम इसे equate कर सकते हैं. So let's do that. This is M1, this is M2, this is x1, y1 and x2, y2. So simply we can write coordinate of P equals to M1 x2 plus M2 यानी 1 multiplied by x1 that is -1 divided by M1 plus M2 यानी k plus 1 in this case. Similarly M1 y2 यानी k into y2 plus M2 y1 यानी 4 and this will be divided by k plus 1. Now equating this part will be equal to 1 and this part will be equal to A. So let's solve that first. This part will be 4k, 1 multiplied by -1, this will be -1 equal to k plus 1 by interchanging the side. This will be 4k, k plus 1 that means simply plus 2. This will be equal to 4k minus k equals to 2, which means this will be 3k equals to 2, that is k equals to 2 by 3. This is the value of k. Now we will solve the right hand side using the value of k. So first of all, this will be minus k plus 4 divided by k plus 1 equals to A. Now changing the side, this will be k plus 4 equals to A multiplied by k plus 1. That means this will be ka plus A. Now we already have calculated the value of k, so we will simply substitute that. This will become 2 by 3 plus 4 and here we can write 2 by 3a plus a. अब हम इसे solve करेंगे. Then this part will become -2 plus 12 by 3 equals to 2a plus 3a by 3. Then we can cancel this. Then this will become 10 equals to 5a. Now हम a के value को simply equate कर सकते हैं 10 by 5. That means a equals to 2. So we have already calculated the value of a. Now we can write the coordinate of P as, the coordinate of P is 1, 2 because the value of a is 2. Now we need to calculate the ratio यानी m1 is to m2 के जगह हमने k is to 1 को कंसिडर किया था and हमने k के वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट किया है कितना 2 by 3. That means k by 1 is equal to 2 by 3. That means k is to 1 will be equal to 2 is to 3 and यही हमें कैलकुलेट करना था. So this point P is dividing this line AB into 2 is to 3 ratio. So the required value of k is 2 by 3. That means 2 is to 3 ratio. Okay. So 2 is to 3 is the required ratio in this question. Now we can also solve this question using m1 is to m2 instead of k is to 1. So in the next question we will be solving using m1 is to m2. So let's start. Now question number 3 is in what ratio does the point a, 6 divide the join of -4, 3 which is the coordinate of point A and 2, 8 which is the other coordinate that is of point B. Now we will use m1 is to m2 to find the ratio. So we can see that this is x1, y1, x2, y2 and this is the coordinate x, y. Now इनमें हमें ratio को calculate करना है. So for calculating the ratio we can directly apply section formula. So Using section formula to write the coordinate of point P, we can write m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Similarly, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is section formula. Now we know this part is equal to 6 and ये part होगा equal to a. Now we can equate this part to 6. So right hand side के part को हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं m1 y2 यानी 8m1 plus m2 y1 यानी 3m2 divided by m1 plus m2 and that is equal to 6. Now we can write 8m1 plus 3m2 multiplied by cross multiplication से 6m1 plus 6m2. Now we can solve this again by changing the sides. We can write 2m1 equal to 3m2. Now अगर हम m1 by m2 को देखें then that will become m1 by m2 equal to 3 by 2 यानी m1 is to m2 is equal to 3 is to 2 which is the required ratio. Now हमें ratio मिल गया है. So the required ratio is 3 is to 2. Now we will use this ratio to determine the value of a. So this part of p will be equal to a and हमें m1 का value हमने calculate किया है that is 3 and the m2 will be 2. So we can use this value of m1 and m2 to calculate a. So m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 will be equal to a. अब हमें m1 का value पता है 3 and x2 is 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 plus m2 which is 2 multiplied by x1 यानी -4 divided by m1 plus m2 यानी 3 plus 2 that will be equal to a. So we can solve this 6 minus 8 5 a. So this will be -2 by 5 equals to a and this is the required value of a जो हमें calculate करना था. Therefore the value of a is -2 by 5. So in this way also we can calculate the ratio and then calculate the value of a. Now we will move on to the next question, that is question number 4. So the question says, in what ratio is the join of 4, 3 and 2, -6 is divided by the x-axis, and also find the coordinates of the point of intersection. So दो points given है, point A 4, 3 and point B 2, -6 and it is being divided by a point जिसे हमने P से denote किया है, which is actually the x-axis. So what is the coordinate of x-axis? x-axis के coordinate को हम लिखते हैं x, 0. So this is the point. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें इसके रेशियो को कैलकुलेट करना है एंड आफ्टर दैट हमें इसका कोऑर्डिनेट कैलकुलेट करना है यानी x के वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट करना है. सो सिंपली हम सेक्शन फार्मूला को यूज़ करेंगे. सो यूजिंग सेक्शन फार्मूला वी कैन राइट, सो दिस विल बी द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट P आफ्टर यूजिंग सेक्शन फार्मूला. सो दिस पार्ट विल बी इक्वल टू दिस पार्ट यानी ये पूरा पार्ट इक्वल टू 0 हो जाएगा. सो वी कैन राइट दैट m1 y2 प्लस m2 y1 डिवाइडेड बाई m1 प्लस m2 विल बी इक्वल टू 0 क्योंकि ये x एक्सिस का कोऑर्डिनेट है. नाउ अगर ये पार्ट इक्वल टू 0 हुआ तो अगर हम इसे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे देन दिस पार्ट विल बिकम इक्वल टू 0. सो सिंपली क्या बचेगा, m1 y2 प्लस m2 y1 इक्वल टू 0 बचेगा. नाउ y2 एंड y1 के वैल्यूज हमारे पास अवेलेबल है, वी कैन सिंपली सब्सटीट्यूट दैट. देन दिस विल बिकम m1 y2 है -6 प्लस m2 and y1 is 3 and that will be equal to 0. So after solving this we can write -6m1 plus 3m2 equal to 0 यानी -6m1 equal to -3m2. This will get cancelled and this will be m1 by m2 equal to 3 by 6 or we can write it as 1 by 2 यानी the required ratio is 1 is to 2. अब हमारे पास required ratio आ चुका है, so we can use the value of m1 and m2 to calculate the value of x. So m1 is equal to 1 and m2 will be equal to 2. अब हम x का वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं यूजिंग दिस पार्ट. सो दिस पार्ट विल बी इक्वल टू x. अब हमारे पास सारे वैल्यूज अवेलेबल है, हम सिंपली सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे. ओके, सो m1 विल बी 1 एंड x2 इज 2 प्लस m2 यानी 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 4 डिवाइडेड बाई m1 प्लस m2 1 प्लस 2. सो दैट मीन्स 2 प्लस 8 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 that will be 10 by 3. So x will be equal to 10 by 3 and what will be the coordinate? The required coordinate of P is 10 by 3, 0. यह है P का coordinate. Easy, right? Now we will move on to the next question which is question number 5. So the question says Find the ratio in which the join of -4,7 and 3,0 is divided by y axis. एकदम सिमिलर क्वेश्चन है, जस्ट x एक्सिस की जगह यहाँ पे y एक्सिस होगा. एंड ऑल्सो वी नीड टू फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन. सो दीज आर द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ पॉइंट A एंड पॉइंट B. एंड पॉइंट B का कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा? y एक्सिस का कोऑर्डिनेट होता है 0, y. नाउ अगेन हम रेशियो को m1:m2 कैलकुलेट करेंगे, कंसिडर करेंगे, एंड देन वी विल स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन यूजिंग सेक्शन फॉर्मूला. नाउ फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन वी कैन सी कि ये y एक्सिस का कोऑर्डिनेट है, देन दिस पार्ट विल बी इक्वल टू 0. सो हम सिंपली इसे इक्वेट करेंगे. एंड इफ दिस पार्ट इज इक्वल टू 0 तो नीचे का डिनोमिनेटर भी 0 हो जाएगा. देन क्या बचेगा? m1x2 प्लस m2x1 इक्वल टू 0. अब हमें पता है x2 एंड x1 का वैल्यू. सो m1 दिस इज x1 y1 एंड x2 y2. दिस इज x एंड दिस इज y. सो x2 विल बी 3 प्लस m2x1 यानी -4 इक्वल टू 0. देन वी कैन राइट 3m1 minus 4m2 equal to 0. That means m1 by m2 will be 4 by 3, है ना? That means m1 is to m2 will be 4 is to 3, which is the required ratio. So the required ratio is 4 is to 3. Now this is the value of m1, this is the value of m2. अब हम simply m1 and m2 के वैल्यू को यूज़ करके y कोऑर्डिनेट को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. And for that we need to equate this part to y. So that means 4 into y2, that means 0 plus m2 यानी 3 multiplied by y1, that is 7 divided by m1 plus m2 यानी 4 plus 3, that is the value of y. So after calculating this we can write, so 0 plus 21 divided by 7, that means y will be equal to what? Y will be 21 by 7 कितना होगा? 3. So this is the value of 3. So the required coordinate will be 0, 3. Easy, right? Now we will move on to the next question. Now the next question is, the points A, B, C and D divide the line segment joining the points 5, -10 and the origin in 5 equal parts. So एक point हमें given है जिसे हमने यहाँ P से denote किया है, 5, -10 इसका coordinate है, and another point which is the origin, that means जिसका coordinate होता है 0, 0. इन दोनों के बीच ये line segment PO 5 equal parts में divide हो रहा है, and we need to find the coordinates of these points A, B, C and D. सो सपोज कोई भी एक पॉइंट अगर हम पॉइंट बी को कंसिडर करें एंड इसका कोऑर्डिनेट हम एक्स एंड वाई अज्यूम करें, देन लेट्स सी कि ये पॉइंट बी पी ओ लाइन को किस रेशियो में डिवाइड कर रहा है. सो वी कैन सी दैट देर आर 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स, सो दिस विल बी 2, एंड देर आर 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स, यानी ये लाइन 2:3 रेशियो में डिवाइड हो रहा है बाय द पॉइंट बी. नाउ टू फाइंड आउट द कोऑर्डिनेट्स एक्स एंड वाई वी कैन डायरेक्टली अप्लाई सेक्शन फॉर्मूला फॉर दिस. नाउ वी कैन सी दैट दिस इज m1 and this is m2, and this will be x1 in this case, y1, x2 and y2. Now we can directly apply the section formula. So b will be m1 यानी 2 multiplied by x2 यानी 0 plus m2 that is 3 into 5 divided by m1 plus m2 यानी 2 plus 3. Similarly we can write 2 multiplied by 0 plus 3 multiplied by -10 divided by m1 plus m2 that is 2 plus 3. Okay. Now we can calculate this. Then this will be b equal to 0 plus 15 divided by 5, 0 minus 30 divided by 5, which means 15 by 5, minus 30 by 5. That means this will be equal to 3, -6. So this is the coordinate for point B. अब similarly हम दूसरे coordinates को calculate करेंगे. So this is 3, -6. Now again for point C, we can see that this part will become 3 and this part will become 2. So this is m1 equal to 3 and m2 equal to 2. Okay. Now in the same way we can calculate the coordinate of point C using section formula. So in this case m1 is 3 multiplied by x2, which is 0 plus m2 2 multiplied by 5 divided by m1 plus m2 यानी 3 plus 2, comma m1 यानी 3 multiplied by 0 plus 2 multiplied by -10 divided by 3 plus 2. Okay. Then this will become 0 plus 10 by 5, 0 plus -20 divided by 5. That means this is 10 by 5 minus 20 by 5. That means this is equal to 2, -4. Right? So 2, 4 -4 is the coordinate of the point C. अब similarly हम दूसरे coordinates को calculate करेंगे.
नाउ फॉर द पॉइंट ए वी कैन सी कि ये पॉइंट ए पी ओ लाइन को 1:4 के रेशियो में डिवाइड कर रहा है, यानी यहाँ पे 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स है एंड यहाँ पे एक पार्ट है. सो दिस विल बी m1 in this case and this will be m2 in this case. And in the same way we will apply section formula for the point A. Now this will become 1 multiplied by 0 plus 4 multiplied by 5 divided by m1 plus m2 यानी 1 plus 4, comma 1 multiplied by 0 plus 4 multiplied by minus 10 divided by m1 plus m2 यानी 1 plus 4. Okay, after calculating this will be 20 by 5 divided by comma minus 40 by 5. That means this will be 4 comma minus 8. So the coordinate of point A will be 4 comma minus 8. Again हम same method apply करेंगे to calculate the coordinate of point D. This part will become 4 and this part will become 1. So point D line PO को 4:1 के ratio में divide करेगा. That means the coordinate of point D will be m1 is 4 and m2 is 1. So 4 multiplied by x2 यानी 0 plus 1 multiplied by 5 divided by m1 plus m2, 4 plus 1. 4 into 0 plus 1 multiplied by minus 10 divided by 4 plus 1. That means 5 by 5 and minus 10 by 5, which means the coordinate of D will be 1 comma minus 2. Easy, right? So जब हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप सेक्शन फार्मूला को अप्लाई करेंगे तो हम सारे कोऑर्डिनेट्स को कैलकुलेट कर पाएंगे. एंड दिस इज अ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर द एग्जाम. The question is the line joining the points minus 3 comma minus 10 and minus 2 comma 6 is divided by the points such that PB by AB equals to 1 by 5. That means PB is to AB equals to 1 is to 5. यानी जो PB वाला पार्ट है that is equal to 1 and जो AB वाला पार्ट है यानी the entire line that is 5. That means AP will be what? AP will be 4. क्योंकि 4 plus 1 हो गई तो पूरा AB बनेगा and AB is given as 5. So the point P is dividing the line AB into 4:1 ratio. यानी M1 का वैल्यू है 4 and M2 is equal to 1. Now we will directly apply section formula to find out the coordinate of P. Okay? So this is section formula. This is x1, y1 and ये है x2, y2. Now we will directly substitute the values here. So this will be 4 into x2 यानी minus 2 plus 1 multiplied by minus 3 divided by 4 plus 1, comma 4 multiplied by y2 यानी 6 plus 1 multiplied by minus 10 divided by 4 plus 1. अब कैलकुलेट करने पे ये होगा minus 8 minus 3 divided by 5, comma 24 minus 10 divided by 5. That will be equal to minus 11 by 5, comma 14 by 5. And this is the required coordinate of the point P. Okay? So the required coordinate of the point P is minus 11 by 5, comma 14 by 5. Easy hai? Now we will move on to the next question. The question is P is a point on the line joining A 4,3 and B minus 2,6 such that 5AP is equal to 2BP. Given है 5AP is equal to 2BP. That means AP by BP is equal to 2 by 5. यानी जो ये पॉइंट AP है that is equal to 2, यानी AP वाला पार्ट 2 के इक्वल है and BP वाला पार्ट 5 के इक्वल है. So simply that means M1 is equal to 2 and M2 is equal to 5. Now we need to calculate the coordinate of the point P. So इसे हम x, y consider करेंगे and again same method apply करेंगे by using section formula. Now this is x1, y1, x2 and y2. So P will be equal to m1 यानी 2 multiplied by x2 minus 2 plus m2 that is 5 multiplied by 4 divided by m1 plus m2 यानी 2 plus 5 होगा. Again m1 2 multiplied by y2 that is 6 plus 5 multiplied by 3 2 plus 5. After calculating this we have minus 4 plus 20 divided by 7, 12 plus 15 divided by 7. That means P is equal to 16 by 17, comma 27 by 7. And this is the required coordinate of P. Okay, Now we will move on to the next question. Question is, calculate the ratio in which the line joining the points -3, -1 and 5, 7 is divided by the line जिसका x coordinate given है x equals to 2 and also find the coordinate of the point of intersection. So एक point given है जिसे हमने यहाँ p से डिनोट किया है जिसका x coordinate given है 2 and y coordinate पता नहीं है, वो कैलकुलेट करना है. एंड ऑल्सो हमें ये भी कैलकुलेट करना है कि ये किस रेशियो में डिवाइड कर रहा है इस लाइन को. फॉर दैट वी कैन सिंपली कंसिडर m1 इज टू m2. अगेन हम सेक्शन फॉर्मूला को अप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, नाउ दिस इज x1 y1 एंड दिस विल बी x2 y2 एंड यहाँ ये x के इक्वल है, 2x के इक्वल है. सो सिंपली इस पार्ट को हम 2 से इक्वेट कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स डू दैट. नाउ हमें x1 एंड x2 का वैल्यू पता है, देन दिस विल बी m1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई x2 दैट इज 5 plus m2 multiplied by x1 that is -3 divided by m1 plus m2 equal to 2. That means 5m1 minus 3m2 equal to 2m1 plus 2m2 after cross multiplying this part. Okay, now we will change the side. 5m1 minus 2m1 equal to 2m2 plus 3m2. That will be equal to 3m1 and 5m2 and we can write this as m1 by m2 किसके इक्वल होगा, m1 by m2 will be equal to 5 by 3. So the required ratio is 5:3. अब हमें m1 and m2 का वैल्यू मिल गया है, तो using the value of m1 and m2 we can calculate the y coordinate of the point P. Now this is equal to 5 and this will be equal to 3. Now ये part तो already equal to 2 है, we need to calculate this part. अब हम m1 m2 के वैल्यू को यूज़ करके y coordinate को कैलकुलेट करेंगे. So y will be equal to m1 यानी 5 multiplied by y2 यानी 7 plus m2 that is 3 multiplied by 1 that is -1 divided by m1 plus m2 that means 5 plus 3. So this will be equal to 35 minus 3 by 8 which will be equal to 32 by 8. That means y is equal to 4. Yani the coordinate will be equal to 2, 4. The required coordinate is 2, 4 and यही हमें कैलकुलेट करना था. Now let's move on to the next question. So in this question we need to calculate the ratio in which the line joining the point A which has the coordinate 6, 5 and B which has the coordinate 4, -3 is divided by the line जिसका एक coordinate y given है 2. That means हमें x coordinate को calculate करना है and also हमें ratio को calculate करना है. Similar question है, इसमें भी हम m1 and m2 को consider करेंगे as a ratio and then simply section formula को apply करेंगे. Now again this is x1 y1 and this is x2 and y2. अब सिंपली अगर हम सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे वैल्यूज़ ऑफ m1 एंड m2 को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए, वी विल हैव 4m1 प्लस x1 का वैल्यू है 6, सो 6m2 डिवाइडेड बाई m1 प्लस m2 कॉमा m1 है, कैलकुलेट करना है m1 को एंड y2 गिवन है कितना -3 प्लस m2 y1 यानी 5m2 होना चाहिए m1 प्लस m2. नाउ अगेन दिस पार्ट विल बी इक्वल टू 2 एंड ये पार्ट हमें पता नहीं है, सो इसे हम x ही कंसिडर करेंगे, बट इस पार्ट को हम 2 के इक्वल इक्वेट कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 2. अब हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दिस विल बी -3m1 प्लस 5m2 2m1 प्लस 2m2. ओके, अब साइन चेंज करेंगे, -3m1 -2m1 इक्वल टू 2m2 -5m2. दिस विल बिकम -5m1 एंड -3m2. ओके, that means we can write -5m1 -3m2 माइनस एंड माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड m1 by m2 will be equal to 3/5 यानी m1 is to m2 will be equal to 3:5 which is the required ratio. The required ratio is 3:5. Now using the value of m1 and m2 हम x के वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, बट क्वेश्चन में बस रेशियो को कैलकुलेट करने बोला है. बट एज वी कैन सी हियर m1 is equal to 3 and m2 is equal to 5. Then x will be equal to 4 multiplied by 3 plus 6 into 5 divided by m1 plus m2 यानी 3 plus 5. So this will be equal to 12 plus 30 divided by 8. That means 42 divided by 8. ये क्वेश्चन में कैलकुलेट करने नहीं बोला था, बट कभी कभी एक्सटेंडेड क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं. देन वी कैन कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x in this manner. So in this video we have solved up to question 10 of exercise 13a. From the next videos we will start solving from question 11 and question 11 से question 22 के questions बहुत important होंगे for the exams. Now that we have learned how to apply section formula to solve problems, we are ready to tackle the important questions. So see you in the next videos. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.